Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Ella May Carino, 46 years old, married, and have one son. He is 9 years old. I am from Pangasinan, a high school graduate, and a Catholic. My first work experience was in Kuwait in September 2002 until December 2014 with one employer, a family of 6, and all are adults. My job is cleaning the house, washing the laundry, ironing, marketing, taking care of pets, 2 dogs and 2 cats, and sometimes I have to clean the car when the driver is in vacation. My second work experience was in Singapore in December 2017 until October 2023 with one employer too, a family of 5, 2 adults and 3 kids, ages 10, 8, and 5 years old. My job is cleaning the house also, washing the laundry, ironing, cleaning the car 3 times a week, cooking foods for kids, and there are times that I need to send and pick them up at school when my employers are both busy in their works. Please, ma'am and sir, choose me to work in your house. I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and patient. Like my experience in my previous employment. I am also willing to take care of a newborn baby or an elderly people. Thank you so much and have a nice day.